Good morning to all my loved ones today. Good morning to everyone in the house. All weather is back again. You know, whenever you see all weather, meaning there's good news for you, there's information and there's advice for you. I'm so sorry, guys, that ever since I don't have time to give you the information or to tell you how to go about this sanatoria that is on board now. I'm so sorry, just busy. All the same, I'm really happy to assist everybody. If I have the time, why I decided to be making this video, doing this video, is just because I can't reach everybody. How many people am I going to call? How many people will I be able to call? The only way I can reach much people is just through this video. That is why it's very necessary to share this video. Please share it to your loved ones. Even though this video or the talk is not important to you, but people out there will need it. We need to assist our loved ones. We need to help our loved ones, because many people will not even know what is going on. Even me, if you don't ask question, you won't know. You won't know it. That is why I try my best to make sure that I give the little information, advice, and what to do about this document. Not only document. If you have any question to ask, you know how to get me. Those that follow me on YouTube, they know how to reach me. If you want to call me, if you want to message me through WhatsApp or through Messenger, I'm always available, even though I am busy. But if I see your message or if I see your missed call, I will definitely call you back. So I would like to talk about this new document. Some people were saying they don't have documents, their document expire. Some of them were able to get someone that wants to write contract for them, but the commercialista was telling them no, they can't do it because their document is expired. This is my motive of coming here to come and do this video. Please, if you have anybody that want to do this contract for you, that want to offer you a job, or that want to do contract of job for you, don't go to commercialista. They are not the one doing it. I asked my commercialista. She told me, no possible Mofari, we are not the one doing it. I should go to Patronati. They are the one that are responsible for that. I say, okay. Why am I saying it? Some people now will have the opportunity. They will go to commercialista. It's not a problem. I did it too. So it's not a problem. If you go there, they will tell you. If they are able to do it, if they are able to do it for you, Benvenga, they can do it. They do it for you. But if they are not able to do it, please kindly go to Patronati, Shisley. They are the one that are doing it. Don't waste your time, or don't fed up. Maybe the commercialista said my document is expired, I cannot do it. Who told you that? You can do it. Those people that have expired document, you can still do it. If you don't even have at all, if you are able to get someone that will write a contract for you, you can also do it as well. You can do it. Don't let anybody deceive you because you don't have document or the document is expired, so you cannot do it. It's not true. You can do it. That is why it's very good to share this video. Then another thing, this one is what I see and what I heard. Please, not everybody in a Patronati that still know what they are doing. Not everybody. Because some days ago, I went there with somebody. I told them I want to offer this person a job. Do you know what the woman was telling me? He said no. He said, say a questo documento che vuoi fare, tu non puoi fare. He said, listen, if you are going to offer him a job because of this document that they want to apply for, he said he cannot use it because the law says the people that have contracts for 2019 before October or November 2019 is those people that can apply for the document, for this new document. I say this is not what I heard. If you want to write contract, if you are able to see someone that will write job contract for you, you can do it. You can apply. He said no, senora, no. It was surprise. It's a surprise to me because how can someone that appointed that is working there telling me this kind of a thing? Not even people outside, not outsider, that was telling me yes, you cannot do it except the person have to have contract before, which is not true. So it's possible. Not everybody that know the law, not everybody that know what is going on. If you don't ask question, you can't do it. Why I really went there some days ago, I know where they are doing it. I know our Daddy Sammy is the one that is responsible for those things. They do those things, but I never knew that they can still do contract. They write contract, because when I put in for my document, I went to his office. He's the one that did everything, hoping that if I go there, then do all the, if I'm able to write the contract for the person, then I will not go to his office and do the rest thing. You see, I wish I didn't even go there. I wouldn't have even known that he can write the contract as well. So please guys, if you know if you are able to get someone that want to write contract for you, if you live in Manke, we know our Daddy Sammy office. Kindly go there, face appointment. At least there is still time. There is still small time for you to do it. It's just remaining 15 days. Not that there is time, but at least if you see this video and you know that it's very important to you and you never make any move, you still have time to go and do it. You can do it as soon as possible. That is for that. Please, another thing, this one is very important. Some people were saying they are not able to get someone that will write contracts for them. They are not able to get job. Let me put it that way. So therefore they cannot do it. Please, if you know you have worked before 2019, if you know your document expire before it should be on the 18th of March, before March 2020, you can apply. But if, for example, 2019 you have worked before as a Badante, just listen carefully. This one is very important, very, very important. And most of us, I know this one will benefit some of us that don't have work now, that don't have contract of work now. If you have worked before and you have this contract, like Badante, like fishing, pesca, you can still do it. Like farm work, if you have done farm work before, you have the contract, even though a year ago or 6 months ago or last year 2019, if you know you have the contract with you, even though it's expired and you are not working again, your document is not functioning again, it's not reading again, you can do it yourself without looking for padroning or without looking for someone in that already lavoro, without waiting for someone that will write contract for you. You don't need it. The most important thing, you have contract that have expired before. You have booster paga. If you have those things, just go straight to Patronati or Shisley. Go there, tell them, give them all your documents, both the expired one and the everything. Give it to them. They know what to do. You can do it. Stop running up and down or looking for someone that will offer you job. If you are able to get a job, Bevenga, I'm happy. That is my joy. If you are able to get job, Badante, fishing, farm work, agricultural, you can still do it. I will be happy. But if you are not able to get someone that will offer you the job, for you not to miss the opportunity, kindly go to that place. Then they will prepare everything for you. They will do it for you. It's just that I don't really have time. I know, because for years ago, I tried to do it once, but I don't have that time. Now I decided to be doing it. If I have small time, I will be happy to share it with you, to share the information that is important with you. Allora, adesso sto dicendo come funziona questo il documento che è uscito. Sto parlando a chi che non parlano inglese, Gambians, guinean. Comunque, chi voglia questo documento, è questo che sto dicendo, che tu puoi fare. Tutti i paesini che non parlano inglese, questo messaggio è per voi che voglia questo documento sanitario che è uscito. Se volete fare, se non riesci a trovare il lavoro, se tu hai già fatto prima, tipo agricoltura, domestico, badante, pesca, tu puoi fare. Se tu ce l'hai contratto vecchi prima, tu puoi fare. Se non riesci a trovare il lavoro, se non riesci a trovare qualcuno che dà lavoro, che dà contratto di lavoro, tu puoi fare, tu devi andare Cisle o vai a patronati, loro sanno cosa devono fare. Se riesci a trovare il lavoro, ben venga, tu puoi fare, ma se non riesci a trovare il lavoro, ma tu hai già fatto questo lavoro prima, tu puoi fare, anche se il tuo documento è scaduto, tu puoi fare. Perché qualche gente mi dicevano no, non possiamo fare perché sono andata come commercialista, mi hanno detto che il mio documento è scaduto. Ma che il tuo documento è scaduto? Tu puoi fare. Non vai da commercialista, non sono tutte cose che i commercialisti sanno. Mio commercialista sono andata da lì, mi ha detto guarda, noi non possiamo fare, non facciamo queste cose, tu devi andare a patronati, Cisle. È là che fanno. Mi ha detto la verità. Qua che dicono sì, alla fine non sanno. Non è che io so tutto, un po' cose che lo so. Sono contenta di condividere a mia famiglia, tutti famiglia mia. Per quello motivo, se tu ce l'hai il documento che è già scaduto, tu puoi fare. Con il contratto vecchi, tu puoi fare. Ma se tu riesci a trovare qualcuno che dà lavoro, che fa il contratto di lavoro, tu puoi fare lo stesso. È questo che sto dicendo. Per favore, quando tu vedi questo video, se non hai iscritto, fai iscrivere in caso che metto un altro video, così subito tu ricevi questo video mio. È questo che sto dicendo. E condividere i tuoi amici che vogliono fare questo documento. È questo che sto dicendo. Ciao, ci vediamo. Back to my country people. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Try to subscribe so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to receive my message, to share it, and to like my video too. Let me leave you guys. See you on my next video. God bless you all. Ciao.